Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in this channel I will try to provide you all the tutorials or presets you want in your edits. In this editing tutorial you get more professional in mobile editing. So without wasting time, here's the preview. So that's it for today. See you in the next banger video. Allah Hafiz.